Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. When you're ready, click on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photos right away or select Gallery section over here. Then choose them over here and click on Add at the top right corner. You can also click on Gallery and tap on Folders. Then pick any photo from one of those sources, hold it, and click on Select at the top right corner in order to add it. As you can see, after that, all of my photos were successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!